Okay, I'll start. Stop talking. Shh. So the next concept is appropriate form of pronoun. How does it change from direct to indirect speech? So I repeat this part. I want you to do the second part. Okay. So take the heading like this. Appropriate forms of pronoun. Okay, I'll start from here. I want you to write one after another. I, me, me, then my or mine, next one myself, then we, us, stop talking, ours, ourselves, you, if it is subjective, you, if it is objective, then continue here. Your or stop talking there boys, your or yours, that is he or she, that is singular, you are yours or they, yourself, yourselves, then he, she, it, they. It's visible there? Okay. Him, her, it, them. Shall I continue here? It's not visible here. Okay, continue here. I'm going backwards today. Them, they, then his, her, hers, its. Visible there? Yes. Its. Their. Stop talking. Shh. Stop talking. Aren't you writing? Himself, herself, itself, themselves. So you write one after another. I'll read I, me, my, mine, myself, we, us, ours, ourselves, you in subjective and you in objective, you and yours in he or she, Okay, you can try. I changes to. I changes to. He or she. You can try. I changes to he or she. Okay, me changes to. Yes, me changes to him or her. Next one, mine and mine changes to. His and mine, it can be male or female. His or hers, yes. Yes, try it. Then I'll ask for the answers. His, hers, or even her. Because it's singular. It's not a belonging. Finish. Okay, shall we discuss? Okay, let me see. I've done till my and mine. Okay, myself. As the gender is not being given, myself, those who are attending online, myself, himself or herself. We, they, They, they. Us. In some condition, they can even use they depending on the sentence. Depending on the sentence, it's very conditional. When you read the sentence, you'll understand it can be sometimes them is not suitable, then you have to add they. But usually, us is them. Our or ours. They are, THEIR, they are, or slash theirs, belongings. They are or theirs. Those who are attending online, please write down. If you're not able to understand, I'll write it for you. Then ourself changes to themselves. So direct speech, if they give ourselves, you have to write themselves. You in subjective. Yes, he, she, they. They, you all should go out if I say, or you all should write if I say, it is they, because it is a subject. But if it is an objective, no. Same, he, she, last one changes, them. So you in subjective, he, she, they. You in objective, he, she, them. Next one, your or yours for he or she. I'm taking the gender here. Again same, his, her, hers. That is for singular I'm taking. Singular I have given you. The second one is your or yours. It is for the plural form. For they, I have specified here. For they, that is a plural form. Then it becomes they are, THEIR, they are or theirs. If it is a belonging, you have to write theirs. Next one, yourself, very easy. Himself or herself, as we don't know the gender, himself or herself. Yourself again, themselves. Yourself changes to themselves. He, she, it, they. He, she. He, she, it, they. No changes. He went for a movie. Him went for a movie, right? No. You have to write no changes. Next one again. Same. His, her, hers. No changes. These are no changes. One more here I have not given. Just add one more. Here changes to there. These are all no changes from here to here. For those who are attending online, you want me to repeat or you have written? If done, please give me a intimation there. heading, make changes in the expression of, take heading, make changes in the expression of time and place. Make changes in the expression of time and place. Okay, I'll give again direct speech. You have to write reported speech. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, this week, last week, next week, this year. I should continue here. Next year. Now, go back at once. This, these. Finished? Today changes to? Yes. Today changes to that day. Yesterday changes to? If you don't write the, they will not give you marks. The previous day. Okay, I want you to solve this. Please try, then I'll discuss. Write with a pencil. The test question is being given? No? When do you have a test? Coming Saturday. I've sent the questions. Let's just say once what questions are sent. Just write down somewhere. It will be easy for you to study. Okay, when you are old, for the test portion, when you are old, the gardener. When you are old, the gardener. The gardener. Heaven, if you are not here on the earth. Heaven, if you are not here on the earth. The voter. 4 lessons. That is 2 lessons and 2 poems. Grammar part, expressions, appropriate expressions, linkers, speech writing. You want to give your choice, only speech writing, or pie chart also you write, report writing. Should I give the option both? I want you to attempt both, that's why I'm giving only one. The next test I'll give that. I want you to write both, whichever you feel is easy in the examination point of view, you can write. But you should be thorough with both. So I think we'll maintain speech writing. Last is jumble segments. And last time, those who have not attended, raise your hands, let me see. Those who have not attended the test last time, you all attended the test. Okay, finished? You done with this? Shall we discuss tomorrow the next or following day? The following day, the should be compulsory. This week changes to that week. Last week changes to the previous week. Same way, next week changes to the following week. This year changes to that year. Next year changes to yes, the following year. Now changes to then. Then, THE and then. Ago changes to before. Back changes to before. At once changes to immediately. This changes to these changes to those. Only one, the same chart I am being left with. Then I'll start with direct to indirect speech from the textbook only. Only just one chart is left. First I'll write, then I explain to you. Yesterday I incompleted it. Okay, without making noise, please write. Yesterday I did not complete this. Tense. I told you yesterday that is time. Then tempers. Shh. Boys, be quiet. Okay, that is tense. Tempus, yesterday I told you it is a French word called as tense. Again in Latin, they called the tense as, they called as tempus. Time is expression. Tense is an expression of time. That is depending on how the verb is, we write the expression. So what is the verb? What is the verb? A verb? What does it denote? Verb denotes an action word. Okay, below this, take this heading as verb. Stop talking. What's the problem there? We have got two main verb, which is further divided into transitive and intransitive. Again, this is a bit lengthy. Auxiliary verbs. This is further divided into primary, auxiliary, that is be form, do form, or have form. I need lots of space. If you are finished with this, then I'll continue. This is modals, or also called as moods. Stop talking. What makes you talk there? First one is tense. That is tense modal. Second one is tenseless modal. Okay, right click here. Then I'll continue. So first tense, tempus, and time. Same. It is same. Tense is nothing but time. It is a present, you write present tense. If it is a future, you write future tense. If it is a past, you write past tense. So these two are interconnected here. How do you decide? Tense is what? Tense is an expression of time through verb. What is a verb? It denotes an action word. So we divide verb into two. Main verb. In that, stop talking there. Transitive and intransitive. Again, in the auxiliary verb, we have got first is primary. You can write ABCD if you want. Second one is modals. Below that, we have got be form, do form, and have form. If you're done with this, I continue. I think they will be visible for them. Correct. This part, okay, the B part and this part, I'll write there. First, I'll write the tense and the tenseless mode. So please continue here. Tense, modals, and tenseless modals. Visible for these people. So if you're done, I'll erase this. In the tense, we have got two. Pay attention to it. It is a present and a past. Present is will, shall, can, could, many you can write. Can, may, I have just taken four. This changes to, in the past, would, shall changes to should or would both. Can changes to could, may changes to might. Why we call it as a tense? Because it has a tense. Will is a future tense. That's why it is called as a tense modals. The second part is tenseless. Visible for these people. Again, same. Pay attention to this. Tenseless is must. It doesn't show any tense. Ought to. Then need to. Dare to. Used to. Below this, you write this. Tense and tenseless modes. Now I go for this form, primary auxiliaries. I'll erase this font. I hope you have written. I go for the primary auxiliaries. take. First I take the be form. Be form singular and plural. It is only two, present and past. And is changes to are, was changes to were. And go for the do form. Again same, do singular and plural. Being present and past, thus changes to do, did changes to did only. That is, it is singular or plural, it is did in past. Last one is had form. Present and past. Present has, singular, plural had, past had and had. So this is a very, very important concept for you to understand. Okay, the next one I do is transitive and intransitive. I just dictate the transitive and intransitive, please write down. Take the heading objective. After you're done with this, people are not writing, Rishi, not visible. If you don't write, the loss is yours. The most difficult concept here is for second place is only this. The rest you manage anyhow. That's why I'm making so struggle and giving small things to your notice and making you write so much. It's you who have to attend the examinations, not me. Even a single thing, I'm telling you, even the tense, one tense is not correct, they will take away 1 mark. That is the biggest problem with valuations. You feel that you have written very nicely, but we have not taught you. But the valuator has its own concept because we have to go according to the scheme what is being given. The tense, the punctuation marks, the verb form, everything should be corrected, and you should not write out of the concept. That's the biggest problem. And here you find difficult. You think that you are very perfect, but they give you so tricky questions there. Only last year, I think, in so many years, because of COVID, they had given very easy question paper. Lucky were those children, but still they failed. I don't know how. Not in our college, none of them failed, but all over Karnataka, we found more than, I think, some 1 or 2 lakh children failed in English, but 2 maximum were from the village side. Papa, they were not given much condition to the value, but we were very liberal this time for evaluating because we understood that the COVID children came and wrote their examinations. I was very liberal with children then. At least those coming from the village side, we got the papers. I was not at all tough with these guys this time. We understand children took a lot of struggle to come to the city and write the examinations because many villages did not provide them the facility of writing the examination. They had to come all along to Tumkur by their own vehicle. That was the biggest challenge for the parents to bring their children to Tumkur and make them write. I gave almost half an hour, 45 minutes. The child who came late, we allowed them to write. And I gave them extra 45 minutes. I was very liberal this time. We understand it is a pandemic, it is difficult for everyone. So let's understand that life is very tricky. And the second strand is coming. I don't know how strong it is. We already have 15 passengers. They were unchecked Delhi and they have already come to Bangalore. So I don't know when we are going to get the second attack. So let's be prepared and pray God nothing happens. Some 255 people have come from UK. That was yesterday night. So out of that, more than 120 are being not tested. They are just sent back to Bangalore. And among them, at present, today's date, some seven or five, I guess, they are found with a new strain. This happened even when the start of COVID was there. It was first found in Delhi only, remember? Yes, the Tabaghi people started spreading a lot of problems there. They were the first to carry from Arab and all, they came and they hid it themselves. They were the first one to hide. Again, these are from the UK this time. Again, Delhi. It is the second strain has come even to Karnataka. So pray God that the colleges begins, because if this spreads, it is 70% more dangerous than what it was the last time. So I don't know how many more are going to die. Really don't know. So keep yourself safe. Don't think that you're free. Don't think. No. The second wave may come anytime or it may not come if we are lucky enough. Because our climatical conditions are so good, this heat is very difficult because we were fearing only for November and December. That season it is very strong, the virus is strong. But we came over because we Indians are more strong because we are very dirty. You should remember that. Yes, the people who are more hygienic are more problematic. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈರಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾದ ವೈರಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬದುಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. We are so strong, our immune system is so strong. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ರೋಡ್ದು ಏನ್ ನೀರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೋ ಗಾಡ್ ನೋಸ್, ಆ ಗೋಬಿ ಮಂಚೂರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಳಗಳು ನೋಡಿ, ವೈರಸ್ಗೆ ದಮ್ಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ. For many it was asymptomatic. For everyone it has come and gone. However precocious you are, it has come and gone. Only thing is we are asymptomatic. We have carried or we have not carried, I don't know. But one round ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವಿರೋ ಗಲೀಜಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವಿರೋ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ನುಂಗೋ ಆ ಚರಂಡಿ ವಾಸನೆಗಳು ವೈರಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಜೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. We don't touch this, we don't touch that. Highest technology ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ. No, they are good. I'm not telling no. Highest technology in so-called as hospitals, but they were not able to save. UK highest technology. Italy antu kelange illa. They are so well off. They have maintained so good. But see the death rate. We 135 crore population. Yelli papa virus ke jaga nele population ide ittondide. But still people have given birth in pandemic. Maximum children are born at a time of pandemic. They had no other work, parents can't do anything. Hats off to those great parents. I say, okay, those who are pregnant, we couldn't do. But some planned in pandemic. Very good. Okay. Okay, before giving transitive and intransitive, I just give one note, please write down. So be careful, don't remove your mask. Only one concept is mask is going to protect you. And please, when you are removing your mask, going back home, pay attention. Shh. Wash your hands and then remove the mask. Very important. And social distancing. See, the opposite of social is distancing. How nice, na? This is life. But hope that second strain which has come to Bangalore stays there only and dies there only. And one best thing is, now they are planning, because if the second wave comes, all those who are in the prison will be released. All those with second strain will be inside the jail. 14 days quarantine. But this is 70 times more transmissible. Yes, it is 70 times. Andre ಏನು ಕಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಮೂಗಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೋ, I don't know. Because the strain is very dangerous. I hope we don't get affected. Again, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಲೀಜ್ಗಳು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು. Just a joke. Now why Indians are safe? Because of the spices what we eat. The spices what you consume. The maximum is turmeric. And our mothers have this very good habit of cooking food using this ginger, this turmeric, this garlic, which is very good for our body, and think that has worked like a protective layer for us. But I was very shocked. I had to go to North India for some reason. I had to go there. I was there in Indore. And you believe me, dear students, people are so careless there. I think just in that population, what I saw, it was a one-day function I had to attend. I think inside that function, only 5 people out of 1,000 people, only 5 were wearing mask. Again, Guru Nanak Jayanti, I had to go to Bangalore. In that Gurudwara, I think we from Tumkur are the only people from 15 or 16 of us who went by a vehicle. We were wearing masks. None of them were wearing masks. So they are thinking that it is zero, but again, let them be ready for the second one. Let's hope it doesn't come, but if it comes, we can't do it. So wear your mask even after the vaccination, 2 vaccinations. And one good thing, yesterday I read in the newspaper was, the Pfizer company has given very beautifully, the Russian one. The vaccine is ready. We are going to vaccinate the people. But women, if you get beard, we are not responsible. Ladies get. So there will be no difference between men and women. Next, how men will grow hair and wear ponytails and plait. We'll have beard. Then we'll sit with you and shave together. That's why the Indian government is not agreeing to take those vaccinations from Russia and from Pfizer company. This is the only reason they are not taking, though they are ready, because the maximum population is ours after China. We are beaters. 135 crore only ಎಷ್ಟು vaccine produce ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Out of 32 countries, so many, they did a calculation. 32 countries together form our population. So they have to give to 32 countries. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. That's why the government has not agreed. We are not going to take anything which is going to be harmful. So I think February, first week or second week, I think the vaccination will begin. So please keep your Aadhaar card ready, because ಜನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ 2 ಸಲ ಚುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So that's why please keep your Aadhaar card ready. Based on the Aadhaar card, they will go like ward. ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು elections ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ward basis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. The frontiers will be the first. The doctors, nurse, teachers will be on the first. Then will be them, the children. Below 5, no vaccination. They will be given the next round. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ರಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ. So if anything, nothing happens to us, then I think the next will be given. So be ready by February second week, 2 vaccinations. After 28 days, 1 more vaccination. ಆ ತರನೇ vaccine ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. As far as I am reading, because I keep myself updated every day, that is one concept, because you should be alert what's happening around your world. So be ready, dear students. Vaccination ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ರಜೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೈಗಳು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. The trial ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. I hope they have tried on human beings, they have not yet. Papa first over there, ನಮ್ಮ rabbits, ನಮ್ಮ rats, Papa they are the first one to be targeted. Then there will be the monkeys. Very bad. But one good thing is tigers have grown. 12,000 tigers are in India only. Okay. The objective, right? I take the heading objective. Okay. This is one note I am giving you. Objective and the half it underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The objects which could be seen or could be touched or heard, like school, desk, building, these are all called as objective. Okay, human beings, these are all objective. Computer, piece of chalk, mobile, these are all objective. The objects which could be seen or could be touched or could be heard. Abstract, that is abstract noun only, both I am taking. Abstract noun, the objects which cannot be touched or seen. Abstract, the objects which cannot be touched or be seen or heard but felt, like strength, bravery, freedom. These are all you cannot see, you cannot hear, but you can feel. Sincerity, honesty, trustworthy, cheaters, betrayals, these all can be only felt. Okay, you can think about them, you can feel about them, but you cannot see them or hear them. So abstract, the objects which cannot be touched or seen or heard but felt. So now you write transitive verb, you write. Any verb which possesses transitive verb, any verb which possesses objective, that's why I told you to write a note. Any verb which possesses objectivity is called transitive verb. Any verb which possesses objectivity is called transitive verb. The next one, intransitive verb. Any verb which does not possess objectivity is called intransitive verb. So before I start, I want all of you to write once more. I want you to write twice what I made you write. This is once what I made you write. Go back home and write once more. I'll give you time, extension of time will be given, because from tomorrow I'll be taking single sentences. Then I'll go directly from the textbook. Okay, first we'll go with single sentences. So I shall end my class here today. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. My dear students.